Welcome. I'm Vanessa Siren with Siren.yoga. I'm here to show you 2 quick moves for your spine called cat and cow. You don't need a mat. I'm using here a little towel folded for under my knees if you need one. Come onto your all fours, wrists below the shoulders, knees in line with those wrists about 2 fists apart. Drawing the belly towards your back. Take an inhale, look up. As I curl my tailbone up towards the sky, hold a cow. Exhale, round your back and move. Tucking up in the chest, curling the tailbone forward. Cat. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Come into neutral spine. If you wish here, do some little hip movements, hip side to side, and into some little circles. And that was that for today. I hope you can share this video and enjoy your cats and cows. Thank you.